So if you're getting this warning in your car, let me tell you how to fix it.
Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's me Flipside. I hope you all are doing great. This video is about to change the battery of the Glanza key. This is the same with most of the cars from Toyota and Suzuki. So let's see how to do this. So first thing first, you will have to remove the key from the key fob.
Once that is done, you will find a small opening to split the key. I would recommend you to use a flathead screwdriver to do this job. Make sure you use something to wedge the key to make it split into two. Make sure you're doing this carefully and don't try to be hard on the key. Once you split the key, this is what it will look like. The battery used in this key is a Panasonic CR2032 and it's a 3 volt battery. So this is what the battery looks like. Let's remove it now. Now use a flathead screwdriver and take out the battery. So I'm using a new battery, that is the Duracell 2032 and 3 volt battery. Now whenever you're putting a new battery into the key, make sure there is no sticker residue on the battery. Make sure you clean the battery both the sides and then place it in the key, otherwise there will not be any continuity. Now that we have cleaned it shiny clean, let's fit it into the key. Make sure the battery is fit correctly inside the key. Clean it one last time. And then finally fit the other part of the key. Make sure the key is fit properly and there are no gaps. Now this is the end result of how the key will look like. Let's see if the warning has gone from the car. As you can see, there is no warning saying that key fob low battery. So job done. Thank you so much for watching this video up until here. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel and also share this video with your family and friends. Please do feel free to comment out if there is anything that you want to ask me, and my Instagram handle is on the left side corner. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.